Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's learning time. So children, today in this video I am going to explain you the revision station from your unit number 3, that is factors and multiples. So let's start. So from the revision station, question number 1 is write all the prime numbers between 10 and 40. So see here children, prime numbers means what? The numbers which are having only two factors, that is the number 1 and the given number itself. It is called as a prime factors. So prime numbers between 10 and 40 are 11, 13, 17, 19, then 23, 29, 31, then 37, and so these are the prime numbers which are between 10 and 40. Okay, so 11 is having only two factors, 1 and 11. 13 is having only two factors, 1 and 13. 17 is having only two factors, 1 and 17. So like that we have to find out the prime numbers. So these are the prime numbers which are present in between 10 and 40. So let us move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is which of the following are co-primes? So as I told you already how to find the co-prime numbers. To find the co-prime numbers, first we have to find out the factors of 5. So factors of 5 is 1 and 5. Okay, then second one is factor of second number, factors of 12. Factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So see here, among this we have to find out the common factors. So here only 1 is a common factor and only 1 is a common factor, then the given numbers are co-prime numbers. Okay, so like this we have to identify. So let us take one more example. Second one example is 16 and 18. So first we have to write down the factors of 16. Factors of 16 is 1, 2, then 4, then 8, then 16 itself. Okay, then factors of 18. Similarly find out the factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So see here, 1 is a common factor, 2 is a common factor, so here more than 1 is a common factor, so therefore 16 and 18 are not co-prime numbers. Okay, so like this you have to solve remaining 6 examples. So let us move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is write 16, 36, 42 and 28 as the sum of two prime numbers. So here prime numbers, as I already told you, the prime numbers means the numbers which are having only two factors, that is 1 and number itself. So we have to distribute, or we have to expand this number as the sum of two prime numbers. So see here, I have written here 13 plus 3, as 13 is a prime number, it is having only two factors, that is 1 and 13, and 3 is also having two factors, 1 and 3. So 13 plus 3 is 16. Similarly, the factor of 36, sum of two prime factors is 29 is a prime number and 7 is a prime number. So 29 plus 7 is 36. Similarly 42. 42 can be written as 41 plus 1. Okay, 41 is a prime number and 1 is also a prime number. Then 28. 28 can be written as 23 is a prime number and 25 is a prime number. So like this you have to solve. Let us go to the next question. So question number 4 is find the prime factors of 45, 121 and 72. So 45. To get the prime factors, divide this number, apply the divisibility rules. 5 is present, so directly start from the 5. 5 9s are 45. Then 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Therefore, prime factors of 45 are 5 into 3 into 3. Similarly, take the second number. Second number is 121. Okay. So 121 can be divided directly by 11. 11 11s are 121. 11 ones are 11. Therefore, 121 can be written as 11 into 11. Then take down the third number. Third number is 72. You have to factorize till the prime factors numbers will come. Okay. Prime numbers will come. 72. As 2 is present in the ones place, start from 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Therefore, 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So, like this you have to solve the question number 4. Let us move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is, check whether the 25,782 is divisible by 3 or no. Okay. So, given number is 25,782. Apply divisibility rule of 3. Okay. So, this 25,782 can be written as, add these all numbers, 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 2. Okay, what we will get? 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 8 is 22. 22 plus 2 is 24. Therefore, 24 is a multiple of 3. As 24 is divisible by 3, therefore 25,782 is divisible by 3. Okay. So, question number 6. Question number 6 is, find the HCF of the following using prime factorization and short division method. So, first number is 42 and 182. Prime factorization method. So, first factorize this 42. Factorize this 42. You will get 2 into 3 into 7. 2 3s are 6. 6 7s are 42. Similarly, factorize this 182. After factorization, you will get 2 into 7 into 13. So, then common numbers, circle the common numbers. So, see here 7 and 2 are the common. Therefore, HCF is equal to 2 into 7 is equal to 14. So, let us move to the next, that is short division method. In the short division method, we have to draw a line, then take these two numbers 42 as well as 182 one side, then start division from the smallest number. As 2 is present in the ones place, start from the smallest prime fact number. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2. Then these two numbers can be divided by 7 only. 7 3s are 21, 7 13s are 91. Therefore, HCF is equal to 2 into 7 is equal to 14. So, like this, the remaining example from question number 2, the remaining C to H example as well as the remaining example from question number C, you have to solve in your classwork. If you like this video, then please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's learning time. Thank you.